Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create desktop shortcuts of the apps that you just installed from BlueStack. So in order to do that, you can try to open BlueStack. So if you don't have BlueStack, you can try to get this BlueStack 5 to install into your system. You can go to the official website. You can download it for free, install into your system, and now after you install and log in, sign in or sign up with your account, you can click three stripe at the top of your screen and access settings. Here, installation of the application, and you want to make a shortcut, so you don't need to open BlueStack anymore, this app. So you just only open the game shortcut. So in order to create shortcut, you can click three stripe at the top of your screen, go to the settings, and here we go. You can go to the preferences settings and try to find create desktop shortcuts for apps after installation. So this option is under platform. So by default it's turned on, but you can try to turn it off or switch this off and go back to switch this on. So after installation of your favorite game, for example, the shortcut will be on the desktop. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.